everyone, this is another Pandemic Traveller video, and today I'm down at Cremorne Wharf, and I'm going to go for a little bit of a wander through the streets of Cremorne just to show you what it's like living in the North Sydney suburb of Cremorne in Sydney. So here we have the ferry station. Looks like a ferry might be coming over as we speak. We have the awesome view of the city, Opera House and Harbour Bridge. Let's go for a wander. At the moment we're in Cremorne Reserve. Welcome to Cremorne Point. In the rest of Sydney, we have what we call bin chickens, which are actually ibises. But here, this is what you call a bin chicken in a rich, affluent suburb of North Sydney. It's actually a turkey. Just walking around strutting its stuff. Wouldn't read about it. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. How you going, little buddy? Whoa, you don't like me? Or do you like me? Gobble, gobble, gobble. How you doing? Why you keep showing me your back? Show me your front. Silly little motherfucker. How you doing? You doing good, buddy? Yeah, he's got some claws on him, this one.
Call him Ingham.
Beautiful little fella. Just running around. Alright, we'll let you be, buddy. You have a good day, alright? I don't know about this one. Nah, he don't want no part of you, mate. Right. So as usual, the sun comes out after I've done the best part of the filming. Found an exit. Bit of building going on over there. Alright, let the bus go past. We will go. Maybe if I get enough likes and subscribes, I could possibly rent out a room in a house here for a day. Show you how the other half live. So I hope you've enjoyed the view of the streets of Cremorne. We just had a little bit of a walk to show you what it looks like around here, some of the architecture and houses. So once again, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If there's anywhere you would like me to visit, that's doable for me during lockdown. So basically anywhere in the Sydney area, please leave a comment. If you have any questions about where I've been, please leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps. Peace out, Pandemic Traveller.